Emergency responders found an adult female without vital signs. She was pronounced dead at the scene, and her body sent to Hamilton for post-mortem to determine the cause of death. Police spokesperson Olaf Heinzel says there's no telling when those post-mortem results will come in, but in the meantime...
We have taken an adult Kitchener male into custody. At the present time, there are no charges.
Heinzel could not elaborate on the relationship between that male and the deceased woman. Neither could he comment on where or how he was arrested. Heinzel says this is not a homicide investigation at this time, although homicide detectives do get involved as a matter of routine in every case of a death. Today, those detectives could be seen looking through the recycling and garbage bins at 10 Overley as part of their investigation. From Overley Drive, Mark Douglas, 570 News.